In this video and in the next few, we're going to be looking at other ways to play the dominant seventh. So we're going to be spending a little bit of time on the dominant seventh chord, but what you will find is that if you can get all of these different ways under your fingers, then you will have a lot more options when you improvise. So even though we're still just improvising on chords 1 and 5, you actually can do an awful lot with that. So today we're looking at how to put the dominant seventh in first inversion. So first inversion means that the third of the chord is going to be in the bass. So if we're in C major, the dominant seventh is a chord of G, and first inversion means that the B is going to be in the bass. With the B in the bass, the other three notes can be taken in the right hand. This means that there are actually 4 different notes being played. Whereas so far we didn't have the 5th, we had no D. Here we can get the D in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's quickly look at exactly what the other parts do. So the soprano stays where it is, it holds the common note. The bass moves down, and then the alto and tenor are going to move up by step. Let's now try a different starting position. So we take this and we go up to here. Bass is going to go to B. Now it's the alto that has the common tone, and it's the soprano and tenor that move up. Lastly, from this position, the tenor has the common tone and the soprano and alto move up. So the 3 positions. In this memorization assignment, we practice the dominant seventh in first inversion from the 3 starting positions. We can also use the first inversion dominant 7th in the minor. So this next memorization assignment practices the dominant 7th first inversion, but starting in the minor tonality. So in C minor, like so. In this improvisation assignment, we are going to incorporate the first inversion dominant 7th chord. So we're just going to do short improvisations without modulations, but going around all the 12 keys. And I will just give a demonstration in C major. For this improvisation assignment, we practice improvising short pieces that incorporate the first inversion dominant 7th, but we're going to do it in the minor. So I will show you in C minor, but you will need to do it in all 12 keys.